Doc, ba't ang dami niyong ginagawa for your acne scar protocol? Talaga ba 6 procedures in one sitting? I'll explain to you the benefits of doing multiple procedures. We call that synergism. When it comes to acne scar treatment, synergism is key. Ano ba ibig sabihin, Doc, ng synergism? Yung mga procedures, they become more effective pag pinagsama-sama mo sila. So for example, ang score, kunwari lang, chemical peel 10 points, CO2 laser 15 points. Pag ginawa mo siya on top of each other, si chemical peel nagiging 15 points, si CO2 laser nagiging 25 points. Ganun ang ibig sabihin ng synergism. Pag pinagsabay mo, parehas silang nagiging effective. In short, kunwari, ginawa mo 6 procedures or 6-in-1 acne scar protocol. Not only will you get the benefits ng 6 na procedure, pag pinagsama-sama mo pa yung 6 na procedures na yun, yung individual effects niya, mas tumataas pa. So, talagang ang daming magiging benefit. Another reason is we have multiple types of scars. No? So, we have ice pick scars, yun yung parang pinusok. So, yung mga scars na yan, it responds best to TCA cross, which is included in the 6-in-1 acne scar protocol. We also have rolling scars. Ano ba yung rolling scars, no? Yan yung parang pag tinignan mo ng side view, parang hills or slopes, no? So, yung mga scars naman na yan, it responds best to subcision. Then, we also have box scar scars. Yung box scar scars naman, para siyang squarish in appearance, it responds best to CO2 laser and microneedling. So, in short, pagka ginawa natin lahat ng mga procedures na yan in one sitting, mas matatarget natin yung iba't ibang klase ng scar. Which is usually naman sa isang patient, marami talagang or lahat ng types of scars, meron siya. And last reason, syempre practicality, para isahang downtime na lang. So, ang alam mag-chemical peel ka, diba, this week, so magbabalat ka. Tapos next week naman, si CO2 laser, magbabalat ka na naman. So for practicality, edi syempre gawin na natin lahat in one sitting para isang downtime na lang. In our clinic, we offer the 6-in-1 acne scar protocol. So ano yung mga kasama dyan, Doc? Subcision, chemical peel, CO2 laser, PRP microneedling, TCA cross, and Regeranics. We also have the 5-in-1 and 4-in-1. To know what is the best protocol for you, come visit us sa amin. See you!